wa Kenya na mabũrũri ma EU hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano gĩkĩ RUTO nĩ eranĩire kwagĩrithio kwa ũrĩmi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na njĩra ya gwetha thoko na magetha mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja, na o hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩ eranĩire kũgacĩrithio kwa ndũgũ gatagatĩ ga Kenya na mabũrũri maya.
VP, the Executive VP Valdis Dombrovskis, being pen to paper on an agreement that has been outstanding since 2016, when we agreed as members of the East African community to engage with our brothers in the EU with the view of having a partnership in the middle of town. That is how Kenyans blend diverse elements and generate sustainable complementarity. The government and the people of Kenya acknowledge with great appreciation the cordial relations existing between the EU, represented here by great ambassadors, out of which a long-standing and fruitful partnership has emerged and grown to cover several areas of mutual interest, including trade, investment, development cooperation, and I record here that EU is the second most important development partner for Kenya after the World Bank. And it speaks to the great friendship and partnership between our two countries. We are our country and the EU. We are here today to mark a very important milestone in our remarkable partnership, the conclusion of the negotiation of the EU-Kenya Economic Partnership Agreement. I recall when we last met in Brussels, this agreement just sets the stage for finally bringing the East African Community partner states into the agreement. And I have also issued instructions to Moses that, and I want to commit to our EU friends, that by you signing this agreement with Kenya, we also commit that we will work with our East African partner states. We will work with the 28 African states that are members of the tripartite free trade agreement so that we can bring them on board this agreement subsequently. And hopefully we can also take this all the way to the Africa Continental Free Trade Area so that we can build a bigger market, build a bigger consensus, and be able to do more with the populations that exist between Europe and Africa. We will enhance our exports because we now have an assured, predictable market. But also we are negotiating because Kenya is now working on our manufacturing capacity, that most of the products that we export today, including our tea, including our coffee, we have to take them now through the process of value addition,